Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another journal with me, and I'm going to be documenting a little trip to Tewkesbury Abbey. I'm going to be sharing how I add big pieces of ephemera into my journal, as I have some large maps and leaflets from the day. I also have a couple of photos, a ticket and a receipt. So you can see here how big the map and leaflet is. Of course you can add these straight into a pocket or something, but I didn't want to do that. I do that quite often, but because journal pieces like this can really bulk up a journal, and this one is already getting pretty full, I wanted to try something a little bit different. When I have big pieces like this, I like to start with them and get the big pieces down first. So I'm starting with the map of Tewkesbury Town Centre. It was a map I managed to pick up for free, so it didn't cost me anything, which is great. We did walk around the town centre and went in some of the shops, so I wanted to include it, but I don't really need the whole thing. So I'm just using my ruler to trim it down to a more manageable size. I also wanted to keep the name of the town so I could use it as a little title on the page. Now that I've trimmed it down, I can start playing around with all the different bits and pieces and see how I might be able to fit everything on the page. The page on the right is a paper bag pocket, so it's a little bit of a smaller page to work with. I'm just trying to decide where I want to place the photo of Tewkesbury Abbey. I've played around with it at the top of the page and also at the bottom of the page. So I really like the photo of Tewkesbury Abbey at the bottom of the page, but I've realised that I'm going to have to trim this map piece down a little bit more. I've chosen a glue stick as my adhesive of choice for this map paper. It's not too thick, so I thought a glue stick would work just fine, but I do go in a minute with some washi tape for extra reinforcement. So this washi tape here is an MT branded one. I can't remember what it's called off the top of my head. I'm hoping you could see it on screen, but I'm just adding some washi tape down the centre of the page just to make sure that map paper doesn't lift back up. I'm going to be using some double-sided tape on the back of my photos, and I've actually trimmed this photograph down a little bit because I didn't want it to take up too much space on the page. And I've realised this piece here is still too big, so I do trim it down even further. And I really like how it looks at the side here, but I don't really like all the little gaps that it leaves, so I'm just going in with some washi tape to further decorate the page and just to fill in those little gaps. and I'm just going in again here with my glue stick. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but there's a little gap between the photo and the word Tewkesbury, and off to the edge of the page as well, hence why I added the washi tape. Now I'm moving on to the other big piece of ephemera that I have. This is a leaflet from Tewkesbury Abbey. Again, it was free. You may notice that there are some blue strips of washi tape on the map, and these were added after I visited, just to highlight my favourite bits. And I do come back to it in a little bit. I just wanted to have a play with the remaining bits and pieces and see where it all fits best. So I'm just trimming this leaflet down, and I'm just using my hands to do that because it's creased really well, so it ripped really easily. And you can see here I've just gone in with my ruler to trim it down a little bit more, and I've managed to trim it down so it features just the map part of the abbey, and I folded it in a way that it opens up fully on the page, which I absolutely love. It makes it very interactive. I thought it would be really fun to add the photos on the map as well, but I do need to trim them down a little bit because they're just a little bit too big. And I'm trying to add them onto the map where it doesn't cover up too much information or anything that I thought I might need. And I'm using double-sided tape on the back of this leaflet because even though it's not too thick, it's now got photos in it as well, and I wanted to make sure it would remain stuck down. And I thought I trimmed it quite well because it says Touching Souls Tea Room. And I'm just adding a little paper clip here to keep it closed. And now I have the receipt and the ticket, and I need to figure out how I'm going to display them on the page. So we went to the Touching Souls Tea Room for some lunch, and I really like how our lunch ticket looks on top of the leaflet. So I'm just using a glue stick to stick it down, and I just popped the receipt into the paper bag pocket. And now I'm just playing around with some journal cards. I think most of these are from Crepe Paper and Maggie Holmes. I wanted to fill that space at the bottom of the paper bag, but I wasn't too sure what would work best, so I just tried a few different things, but in the end I do end up using that scrap piece of paper that I pulled from my stash. As you can see, I've done my journaling off camera, and I did use that scrap piece of paper in the end. And I'm just adding some more journaling to this vintage style red label. It is printed on sticker paper, and I will leave the link for these down in the description box for you if you want to print some off for yourself. And now I'm just going to go in with a few stickers just to decorate the page a little bit. I'm unsure where these stickers came from. I've had them in my stash for absolutely ages. And you can see here that I was a little bit indecisive. So when we were in Tewkesbury, we saw a swan, and it was really funny because it was walking down a road towards the high street away from the water, like it wanted to do some shopping or something. So I thought it would be really fun to add a swan on top of this map paper. I thought it would be really fun to label some of the things we saw in the Abbey, so I just go in with a black pen and add some arrows and some writing. If you have made it this far into the video, thank you. I know the lighting hasn't been great in this video. There has been lots of shadows, but I really hope that you have still enjoyed watching these pages come together. I actually filmed the ending of this video a couple days later, so you may notice I'm wearing a different jumper. I was hoping the lighting would be a bit better, but the weather has just been awful. But I love how I've used the map and leaflet on these pages. I think it's a really fun idea to document the day in this way, and it's made the pages more interactive. I hope it has given you some ideas and inspiration on how you can use bigger pieces of ephemera in your journal. Here is a closer look at some of the details. I hope you're all doing really well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.